Hi! Kumusta mga magagandang nilalang? Excited ako na i-share sa inyo itong pinakabagong skincare ng Atomy Absolute Snow Set. Kung ikaw ay katulad kong naghahanap ng pampaputi na matingkad, ito na. So, panoorin itong aking video habang nagkakape. So, set back and relax. Ito ay ang Atomy Absolute Snow Set. Hindi lang ito ordinaryong skin routine, ngunit ito ay dinesign para ma-achieve ang matingkad na puti na di pa nagagawa ng iba. Inaalagaan nito ang ating kutis professionally sa gabi at araw para masigurong magustuhan nyo at mapansin ng lahat. Ito yung pinakamaganda. Ang Atomy Absolute Snow Set ay hindi lang basta skincare product, ngunit ito ay may backup ng science. Clinical trials have proven its brightening benefits, making it a reliable choice for those serious about achieving luminous skin. Plus, it's packed with whitening properties that works tirelessly to fade dark spots and even out its skin tone. Napaka-elegante ng packaging nito at may mabangong amoy na parang nasa garden na nararamdaman nyo na parang nasa spa kayo, ngunit nasa bahay lang. So there you have it, folks. The Atomy Absolute Snow Set is your ticket to radiant, glowing skin. Kung ready ka na para sa brighter, more even-toned skin and luminous beauty, then don't hesitate to reach out to me for more details. Stay radiant and fabulous.